Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this I'm going to compare the touch sampling rate comparison test between the Realme X1 Max versus OnePlus Nord CE2 device. The OnePlus Nord CE2 which has got the 180 Hz touch sampling rate, and whereas the Realme X1 Max device which has got the 360 Hz touch sampling rate according to the figures from the Realme. You can see friends, this is official Realme details. But let's see in the reality what's happening with the touch sampling rate, how much value we can actually get between these both phones. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video while comparing both phones side by side. So here's the two applications which I'll be using during this process of demonstration. So in this application, when you're trying to swipe with a finger, you will be able to get this kind of value on the top. So try to focus on the exact value, how much you're getting while I'm trying to swipe on the screen. So we're getting kind of close to anywhere 266, 269 and 270. Always try to take an average. Like right now the highest it did go up to only 269 and 270. That's it. That's the value in the OnePlus or Nord CE2 device. So what are the value you are getting here? We need to do the minus with the refresh rate of the display. So the OnePlus Nord CE2 which has got the refresh rate of 90 Hz. So we got 270 minus 90. So which is equivalent to 180 Hz touch sampling rate is present in the OnePlus Nord CE2 device. Now let's check in the Realme X1 Max what's happening with this touch sampling rate in this device. So right now when I'm trying to swipe the finger, you can clearly see friends, we are getting about 360 Hz touch sampling rate. I mean 360 Hz number, that's not touch sampling rate, 368 number we are getting. But what are the value you are getting over there? We need to do the minus. So 360 minus refresh rate, 360 minus 120 Hz, so 240 Hz touch sampling rate in the Realme X1 Max device. So you may get a doubt like why we are doing the minus. So always you should do the minus with the refresh rate. Whatever the value is left over, that is what the touch sampling rate of every smartphone. For example, in the Poco F3 GT, this is a Poco F3 GT, you can clearly see. In this device, the device has got 480 Hz touch sampling rate. So right now you should be able to see the value very higher than the 480. As you can see, we're seeing kind of close to 575 and somewhere around that. As you can see friends, 575, 580, 585 as well sometimes, clearly. And this phone has got exactly same touch sampling rate, 480 Hz, perfectly alright without any problem. In the Poco F3 GT, most of the MI phones and Xiaomi phones, Poco phones, iQOO phones, Samsung, they do have exactly touch sampling rate whatever the company is claiming. But in Realme smartphones, one thing is that the refresh rate and the touch sampling rate, everything they'll combine and they'll try to give us a exact figure in the touch sampling rate section. That's a slight confusion, but this is what is happening. But overall what's going on is let me show you another application where you can actually measure the touch sampling rate input between these two phones. So right now try to observe the lines. I'm trying to increase the speed between these two phones. So with full speed I'll try to do the test. Let's do the test with full speed. As you can see friends, try to observe, more number of touch inputs got detected in the Realme X1 Max with the same speed. Okay, now let's see. As you can see friends, now again with the full speed I did do the test, more inputs. So this is what happens with the higher touch sampling rate, 240 Hz touch sampling rate and 180 Hz touch sampling rate in the OnePlus Nord CE2 device. And you may get another doubt that what if you use the gain space? If you use the gain space and if you increase the touch sensitivity and everything, so whatever the value you increase, the number will not increase. So in this application, it will not work. It will be same as it is. But anyway, the 240 Hz touch sampling rate is also not bad. It's kind of good. Same thing as happened with the Realme GT Neo 2. Realme GT has got 600 Hz touch sampling rate, but that's an instant touch sampling rate. That's not actual touch sampling rate. So there's a difference between that. So let me to check. Now let's do with full speed. As you can see, with full speed I'm trying to do. You can see friends, more touch inputs and less touch inputs clearly. So that's it friends. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. This is a quick comparison between these both phones. And meanwhile, signing off. Until then, bye.